every day and every night we'll be together with the roof right over our heads. We'll share the shelter.
Let's go.
Hello! Excited on my bride cam. Oh, beer greeters.
Adam Connor.
Steve.
Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling?
Alex, what are you eating?
French fries.
I wanna know now.
I have a marriage.
I got to know now. I'm willing to throw my cards on the table.
Still no idea. How do you?
I wanna love you. I wanna love and treat you right. I wanna love you.
So tell me what you want, what you really want. I'll tell you what I want, what I really want. So tell me what you want, what you really want. I wanna really wanna zig a zig ah. If you want my future, go check my past. If you wanna get with me, better make it fast. Now don't go wasting my precious time. Get your act together, we'll be just fine. I'll tell you what I want, what I really want. So tell me what you want, what you really want. I wanna tell you what I want, what I really want. So tell me what you want, what you really want. I wanna really wanna zig a zig.
Go to the chapel and we're gonna get married. Go to the chapel and we're gonna get
Spring is here, the sky is blue. Birds all sing as if they knew. Today's the day. We'll say I do.
Much.
Good boy over there. You're gonna ruin this video.
That won't be the first thing, bro. Each of their own.
Hey Diego, star of the show.
already know it.
You're level. It is on.
Is it?
Tess.
And father of two extraordinary children, Griffin and Maggie. John, a new hat for you. And just so that he isn't on his own, I bought one for me. The matter is, I hope everybody has a shawl, something to do. Patrick and Rebecca, all the very best. Congratulations.
And now I can say she's just like a really loyal and fantastic friend. And I just feel, and we go on trips together. We just spent a wonderful 3 weeks together, and I just feel I'm so lucky. But I guess you all know she's a very wonderful and loyal friend to all you guys.
Yes!
If you're fond of sand dunes and salty air, quaint little villages here and there, you're sure to fall in love with old Cape Cod. That old Cape Cod.
Absolutely.
I mean, look at Chris, he's still out there. And look at you.
Somewhere beyond the sea, somewhere waiting for me. My lover stands on golden sands and watches the ships that go sailing. Somewhere beyond the sea, she's there watching for me. If I could fly like birds on high, then straight to her arms I'd go sailing. It's far beyond the stars. It's near beyond